Alright, hi guys, Charles here from Charles & Keys. We're back here for another exclusive home tour. We are located at Hougang today at District 19. We're actually at the park connector next to the condo itself. Look at the beautiful greenery. Okay, but with that being said, we have a 3-bedroom unit today at 1,238 square feet. Yep, that's right, 1,238 square feet. So families that value size and also value space, this is perfect for you guys. Real Vista TOP'd in 2004. It has 716 units and it boasts full condo facilities. And by I mean full, it's really full. It has 2 tennis courts, 50-meter lap pool, kids pool, baby pool, jacuzzi as well. There's playgrounds, loads of barbecue pits, all the amenities. And the good thing is that it has direct shuttle bus access to Hougang MRT, making it very convenient. So I'm very excited to show you the unit. So let's go check it out. Hi guys, welcome to the unit. So let me show you in. As you're greeted in by the foyer, you got a very nice walkway here. The owner did up a very beautiful cabinet at the side here to put all your shoes and a little niche also to put your wallet and keys. Alright, now we're in the living room. You can see how spacious it is, and they don't make it like this anymore. If you're seeing, the width is about 3.7 meters and the length is 7.5 meters, making it very spacious. You can see that the owner put in a dining area, easily fit a 6-seater, 8-seater also no problem. Then you move over to the living area as well. It's very spaciously and well designed with a nice TV console over there. At the same time, easily put an L-shaped sofa, massage chair. So you can see that the flooring is done up in a way that is granite, so it's very nice and easy to maintain as well. And then if you come over here, the best part about the unit is that this is north-south facing, and we have unblocked view of the whole entire condo with a beautiful pool view overlooking right over here. Alright guys, you can come in to see a kitchen and I can tell you, you'll be very impressed by it. Ladies, you're going to love it so much. You can see that over here it's already nicely tiled. A fridge comes in here, got a double galley-way over here with a quartz countertop. Fire stove, 4 fire burner stove over here, an oven below here, and the sink goes here. A good place to put your microwave oven as well. You got a nice window as well to add natural ventilation. Loads of cabinets all on the top over here. But let me check out, show you even more how big is it. On top of that, we have a very beautiful yard with rubbish chute right over here, and also a very long yard to hang your clothes. A WC is right over here, and then it leads into another bomb shelter. So with that being said, for families itself, it's very spacious to put all your home needs, and very nice place, because usually yards are really very small these days. You don't really get this kind of size at this such a price as well. Alright, so we enter in the first bedroom itself. You can see that it comes with beautiful parquet flooring, very well maintained itself. For this room itself, it's really spacious because you can see that it fits a queen size bed and a super single bed over there as well. Then you can see that how spacious it is, easily can fit king, no problem itself. They use this as their kids' room, and they do some built-in carpentry, which I feel is a very good touch because it has a lot of storage space over here like that. All these are storage space here. Over there as well, below the mattresses are even more storage space. So for big families, no problem as well. And you can see that the unit itself has a lot of natural light coming in, and also it's very bright and nice and windy as well because this is south facing. Alright, as we are into another common room itself, we can see that the owner did up, they put a piano inside here and it acts as a very nice study area. If you do want to use this as a bedroom, it's still possible. The bed goes over here and a length over here like that. I think around a super single or single would be ideal. Queen size really might be a bit difficult. The good thing about the unit is that it comes furnished with quite a lot of cabinets as well over here. Ceiling fans already installed as well. Study table, because they used it as their study area, and also you get a lot of natural lighting coming in from here, making all the rooms very bright. Alright, so now we are in the master bedroom. You can see that tucked away is the beautiful ensuite toilet over here. Very spacious in size. We've come in here, the owner did a lot of cabinet space on the left here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 panels of cabinet space, both up and top as well. Over here is a nice addition of a TV and a little dresser table or study table as well. And with, of course, additional cupboard space over here. The good thing about the unit here is that this is a very beautiful king-size bed. Still the parquet flooring for all the bedrooms, and it has nice window light from here and at the back as well, giving a lot of natural ventilation and light to the unit. So it's a very nice master bedroom. We are pleased to know that at Real Vista, we enjoy full condo facilities. It comes with a beautiful clubhouse, a fitness corner, gym, jacuzzi, and playgrounds for all your kids. And to top it off, we have a huge swimming pool for your own needs. And the good part is that it comes with a shuttle bus to Hougang MRT and 2 tennis courts. And the best part about it is that you are just right next to the park connector, which opens you up to all the way from cycling routes to Punggol End. Real Vista is very conveniently located. It is only a few bus stops away from Hougang MRT, and the good part about it is that the condo comes with shuttle bus service with frequent timings that gets you all the way to Hougang MRT, sheltered all the way. On top of that, you can have loads of bus that connects you all over the northeast sector. For drivers, you're pleased to know that you're just very close to KPE, allowing you opening up to KPE and TPE, making it driving a breeze all across Singapore. For amenities, you're pleased to know that we have loads of amenities around. Being located in a heartland area, we are just only 8 minutes away to the nearest fair price, located at 4760 Upper Serangoon. And you're pleased to know that along Upper Serangoon Road at 475, there are just located coffee shops, so we make it very easy for you to get your daily food. Parents, you're pleased to know that there's 2 primary schools within 1 km. We have Punggol Primary School and CHIJ Our Lady of Nativity. Alright guys, we have come to the end of the house tour. If you like what you see, this unit won't be on the shelf for long, so feel free to reach out to me. My name is Charles to arrange an exclusive viewing. So I look forward to seeing you next time.